The plan today is to get this one up here on the rail and line it through with the one that we put in. The camera girl and I did this yesterday, put this in, but because it was only the two of us, we couldn't record it because it was so bloody heavy. Struggling your knots off with that thing. Okay, now that's putting that in. We can do a separate one for that to show you that. Now we're going to put this in place. There's 3 of these got to go up here, and we had to cut holes in the wall to put reinforced wood inside this 1/2 inch ply, so we could screw the. Now normally you do every 8 inches or 12 inches, but because there's no thick wood there, just the battens we put in, we've done it every other one, so it's every 4 inches or so. We've gone all the way along because I don't want this bugger falling down, because we had something like this happen on the garage in Sarasota, where before I could put the support bar from the attic down, we had the whole bloody lot come down, paint tins and everything, so we don't want that to happen again. So now we're going to put this up here, hang it on there, and then we're going to excuse me, line it through with, not with the worktop, but with the unit underneath. We've got 2 straight edges here, or something that resembles a straight edge. And we're going to put this here. We'll use this one because it's lighter. This goes on here. That's the straight edge. We want that edge there. And that should give us a straight edge there. We'll use this one just to make sure, because this is a lot longer. I think that's as good as it's going to get. So that's the position of that, and then what we'll do is, we've got here, we need to just lock that in place. That's the first one. We have some locks here. I see I had some locks here. I put them down here somewhere, and then promptly mislaid the bloody thing. So a couple of these locks. Well, I haven't got them here then. Here they are. Okay, so we've got 2 locks here. And these actually lock. These are them here. These actually lock this box, or all of the boxes. Just hang on a second, please. These lock them in place. Nice and easy. I just clamber up here again, and then we put these in at the back. Then you just push in there like that, and then you lock these in place so that they don't move again. And then you can always take them down and take them out. They're easy enough to do. You just put them in there. And that locks that in place. And that's what we're going to do for today. Then later on today I'm going to try and drill a hole in that one there for the gas pipe to go out into the garden. Okay, that's about it. I think that's the first part done. Nice to have something go right for a change, isn't it?